need to act like ourselves. Take me. Okay, welcome to our channel. We're starting vlogmas right now. Mary Chrysler.
Merry Chrysler!
If you're watching this right now, you either are one of our 5 friends, or you like to make fun of us. Ooh, Planet Fitness. BB time? What is that? Big body. Oh. Like John Manley. So we're gonna tell the story about the time we met. It was 6th grade at our very kind middle school. It was the first day of 6th grade, and we were a little like odd. Yeah, and I had to ride a new bus. Yeah, so like it was the end of the day, and I hopped on my bus, and our bus driver Terry, he was not racist. Only not at all. So I hopped on, and like I was getting in a seat by myself because I had no friends. I was sitting like in a seat right here, and then I don't know who was sitting right here, and then behind whoever that was, it was JC. And I got on, and she was like, "Hey, are you in my Eagle time?" In 6th grade, we had it as like clubs, and I was like, "Who do you have? Like, what's your thing?" And you're like, "Friendship bracelets." And I was like, "No, I'm in scrapbooking." The year went on and we didn't talk to each other, but then we somehow started talking to each other. I think we got assigned each other, like, we were by each other. No, I remember, because I got assigned me. I sounded like someone I didn't like, and then I asked to with you, and then yeah, and then he let us. And it was like Christmas break, like before Christmas break. Because I remember I was like, "Have a great Christmas," because I was like, I didn't know you, so I was like trying to be nice, you know? We just became friends after that, and we sat with each other every day. We were besties in 7th grade and besties in 8th grade, and now we hate each other and we're in 9th grade. I'm gonna date. I'm thinking of pickup party. I couldn't believe it. It is raining now. I hope the roads get slick. Me too. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on Mother Nature. Gotcha. That wink was, you just got a lot of people in your DMs. We're not funny when we're not on camera. I think that's not true. I think it is. Others would argue. Most people just think we're annoying. That's true. And we get pity laughs. No one's watching this video. Guarantee.
She has got a plan for you. Don't you worry now.
Got so much patience. Thank you. Your Saturday night squad. Most requested.
Half an ounce in my Gucci tube socks. Baby mama mad, she said you live like a bachelor.
Just a plethora of folks who came there.
Flash your lights. Bye, vlog.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. Trap nigga with the chickens like Popeye. Money changing colors like Ty.